Alden, it's your update. Yan, nasa birthday siya ni Ed Calaw. Isa pa ng kain ni Alden ng palabo eh. Nagkaroon pa nga ng action dyan. At ayun pa nga, mahilig sa bata si Alden. Si Baby Emma at si Abiana. Yan, action for a cause. Ito yung message ni Alden. By birthday na si Ed Calaw.
We have just met for just a couple of years. I mean, seeing you in the gym, working out with you, don't you see, it's a breath of fresh air for all of us. I mean, you're such a kind soul, and we care for you so much, and we love you so much. So, the people here, I'm sure, all of us, you mean a lot to all of us. And to everyone, like the Ginawani coach yesterday for the push-up, that's just a small way to say, to show you how much we care for you, how much we love you so much. So, happy birthday, Ted.
May action ni Alden.
145. 160,000. And then for 165,000 kilo in your katabi mo yun, bali naman yun. Magkano? S&P 500,000. Kaya namin 450, bro. Anyone? Nasa na tayo?
Yun. Saka ito, IG story ni Alden, Daddy Bay. Yan, nabuo na ni Angel. Yung bigay ni Alden. Grabe, ano. Yan, 4 na araw lang, nabuo agad. Solid, oh. Magaling. Magaling mag-assemble ni Angel. Yung kapatid ni Alden. Grabe, oh. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is with your reaction between more videos. See ya.